Also new tonight, Loudoun County is getting more crowded. And tonight, local health care is responding to the growing needs. The U.S. Census Bureau shows the county's population has grown 24% over the past decade. 10 News reporter Lauren Davis shares how one hospital is making improvements to serve a bigger community.
Fort Loudoun Medical Center is expanding its care services and emergency department capacity. I spoke with health leaders on the state and local level about why it's important to invest in rural health care. Fort Loudoun Medical Center is getting a new addition.
We will be building 26 new patient rooms that adjoin our current med-surg wing. And in that wing, we will have 11 intensive care rooms that comprise our Breathing Foundation Advanced Care Wing.
The expansion will also add private patient rooms.
Who really wants to be in the hospital and think that they may have to be in a semi-private room? And so this expansion will allow us to have all private rooms so that we can, provide that service to the community in the way they would like to be cared for.
And it's thanks to a $5.9 million grant from the Tennessee Department of Health, aimed at expanding, enhancing, investing in, or improving access to health and healthcare services across the state.
It just makes those hospitals more resilient, and often were the frontline fighters when it came to things like COVID, that they're going to continue to be the frontline fighters for their community to keep people healthier and live longer and be able to fight disease if they encounter it.
The State Commissioner of Health says it's important to expand access to health care in rural communities.
This is sometimes once in a lifetime investments, really, for a lot of our hospitals, that if they didn't get this funding, a lot of these projects could not get done. And so I know when we go meet with our officials, they're ecstatic, they're grateful. The communities are grateful to be able to receive those funds.
He says the State Department of Health is taking action to improve health care across the state, to encourage Tennesseans to improve their own health.
That was Lauren Davis reporting, and the Chief Administrative Office says the hospital expansion is expected to be finished by the end of 2025.